Alright man, look, it's 2020 and I know a lot of people on that natural road, you feel me? A lot of people on that natural road. I also been on that natural road, but I haven't used this grease in a long time. So what I'm trying to figure out how to do 360 style still work in 2020, man. Stay tuned, we're gonna find out. Let's get it.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low, yeah.
What's good, no forget gang? It's your SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Look, in this video, we finna find out do 360 style still work in 2020, man. You feel me? No further ado, about to jump right into it. Y'all seen my waves, man. I ain't gonna do the hot towel method with this. It make my hair a little frizzy, you feel me? So I ain't trying to get frizzed up, you feel me?
Okay.
But I'm gonna add a little oil before I add this to my head, and then we're gonna brush it down, we're gonna rag up, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it look, you feel me? I'm gonna let y'all be the judge, you feel me? So take it. Alright, look, the oil I'm gonna be adding is this coconut oil, you feel me? I'm gonna add a little coconut oil to my hair real quick, brush it in, then I'm gonna add the product, you feel me? Not too mad, you feel me? Need a little more than that, cause hair a little dry. Alright, now we're gonna get a little brush session in. This Torino Pro. We're gonna brush it in, man. Let's get it. Alright, now we're gonna add the 360 style pomade, man. They say you supposed to do the hot towel method, but forget all that. Forget all that, man. I'm not gonna add the hot towel method. I'm just gonna add by that much. Just add by that much. Put it in your hand. Rub it in real good. Alright, so now we're gonna get a mean brush session in real quick. About 10, 15 minutes. I'm gonna speed it up so it's not really gonna be 15 minutes. Yeah, you feel me? But we're gonna get a brush session in, man. Let's get it. I'm gonna speed it up so it's not really gonna be 15 minutes. Yeah, you feel me? Flush the bad method. Let's get it. Alright, after you get your hair laid like you want it, you feel me? Y'all see how my hair looking right now, man. What y'all think? You gonna throw your little rag on? I'ma let it marinate real quick. Let me know, do 360 style pomade still work, man? After I show y'all these results, man. I'm see y'all on the next clip, man. I'm on the next clip. So what y'all think, man? Do 360 style still work in 2020, man? Hey, I know a lot of people can't afford all the natural products, man. We trying to see do the old method still work. You feel me? Hey, if you enjoyed the video, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video on your boy SwaggDrizzle, man. And I appreciate everybody for tuning in with your boy. You feel me? SwaggDrizzle, man. I'm out of here, man. Let's get it, man. Gang.
You wanna ride my way?